Oh, hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Oh, the starting thing's still here. Ah, hello. Hello. Yeah, big I have big ideas. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Hang on, I'm destroying my shoe. Oh, my poor shoe. I didn't mean to destroy you. Hello. That's this in honey. I'm running a bit slow today. Either I'm running a bit slow or I started a stream a bit early. Only just taking my shoes off. Time to eat a roadie. Usually I eat the roadie first, like before I do anything else. Ah. Yo, today was a blast of a day. I spent before work and then my entire duration during work watching Azure and their GF playing Halo. Oh my god, I wanna play ODST again. I wanna play ODST again. Ah, it's coming out of my speakers. Why is it coming out of my speakers? We're gonna give them a shout out. We're gonna give them a shout out, and do you think we can watch them while we give the shout out? Like, do you think it's fair to watch a stream if you're shouting them out? Question mark.
This one time at Halo Camp, I put an idiot
Look at that
in my
Halo
inventory.
content. Yeah, I've been watching this all day long. And they're still going. They're still going. So many cuties on the screen. True. Oh. Oh. I mean, I kind of want to watch more. Just while I eat roadie. Do you think that's okay?
Oh, that would be nice.
Is that okay? Do you think I should ask? Just to be like, can I watch your stream while I eat roadie on my stream for entertainment for like 5 minutes? Oh my god, I'm actually doing. Ah! Oh, we have to turn it up to hear them. Oh. Oh, mom. Maybe you should go follow them. Definitely poggers.
I don't have any.
Throwing grenade.
Oh, I can't hear them. What the? Yo, I kind of want to take that message back. Oh no.
You're pushing me.
Sorry, I was stuck.
Yeah. My day. Yeah, let's mute them. Let's mute them. Hang on.
I don't have any grenades. Okay.
No grenades.
Immediate.
Owlkaline me acheté une feuille de Zizerice.
Yes.
Have fun.
I just.
Have fun.
I'm dying.
Okay.
I'm backing up.
Okay, yeah, YouTube. It's working. Yeah. So I need to work on my gap. My gap level has decreased recently. It's gap minus. What does that even mean though? Gap minus. Ow. Because like, I have some heckin' tasty tea here. Yeah, back when my yap level was at maximum. Maximum yappage. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. I wonder oh, what I should eat for dinner. Oh, you know, I found out that paper rice rolls have a name. I didn't know they had a name. Like I always was just like, oh yeah, it's sushi, but instead of seaweed, you're using rice paper. Mm. But no, I was spring roll thinking, yeah, like it's called a summer roll. I don't know why, but you look up summer roll and it's all the it's all these. Like mine weren't this big, but apparently like it has a name. That one's green. I don't know why that one's green. But yeah, it's like this. It's all wrapped up. I mean, these ones have like shrimp and seafood in it, but like so does sushi. So I was like, oh yeah, it's just sushi, but they don't use seaweed. They don't use seaweed. Yo, you can't see anything. Yo, Giga Chad. Giga. Look at that. There we go. Oh. Look at that. All this sushi. Oh. Sorry, not sushi. Summer roll. Look, I looked up summer roll. You can see now, right? Yeah, verified. Verified. Yo, that one, they did the layers really thick. I don't think having thick layers is good. You want it thin so you can still see the inside. Adam, hello. Hi. Looks normal. Yeah. Well, you put like whatever you want in there, but I usually put vegetables and avocado and sauces. Although, whatever that sauce is, that's looking heckin' delicious. Oh. Yeah, I have something fun planned for today. It will be glorious. Sorry. I'm just finishing up my roadie, and then if you'll let me, I can explain what the deal is. Because I'm hoping we can meme it up a lot and have fun. Because I think it might be the start of possibly my new overlay. It could be by accident. And in the meantime, we also learn about like compression and stuff. Oh. Well, at first, I think we should have a blind attempt at compression, and then like just try that on a bunch of things, and then see how we go. But what I'm envisioning is I create a new redeem, right? We may or may not enable it, and we won't enable it immediately, but well, like creating the redeem part will be last, but we create a new redeem. So this is the vision from start to end. Let me oh, we're transitioning. Transition. What the Compressionma. Hang on, I have like 2 more bites of my roadie. Hang on. Ow. Yo, the fimsh and I are eating pulp. Yo, if you ever find any other owlcats in the wild, owlcats eat roadie. I think that's, I'm pretty sure that's canon. It's like hella enjoyable. Oh. That's our diet. Just roadie. Just roadie. All right, the vision. The vision. Okay, the vision is mostly simple. One, we have an application that launches, and we can either send it commands or it listens to a file update, and then it runs our compression, the one we make on stream, and like it will like what will it do? So like the idea is someone submits some data, whether that's just data, and then you yoink that data, and then on screen it's like, oh, compression time, and we have a little compression time thing, and a little noise starts to indicate we're doing a compression test, and then we have it will say like what the file is and maybe who redeemed it on screen, and then all of the text, maybe not all of the text, maybe all of the text will compress it, and the text will reflect what percentage size the file is at the end compared to originally, and it will also output a Weissman score and show it on screen. And if it's like a PB Weissman score, because Weissman score is kind of fun, we'll get like fireworks and stuff. And that's the vision. And then we'll slowly just like work on the compression part as we go, and hopefully we get it better and better. And then maybe we work out like certain files compress better than others. Who knows? I'm excited. But to start with, we need to do some stuff. What would you be compressing? Whatever you want. Whatever you want. That's right. Compression is on the table for anything. Anything. If you want to send your passwords, we'll compress them. Your bank details, we'll compress them. Can we compress food? Sure, we'll compress food. Yeah. Yeah, why not? Why not? We might as well compress food. Your password is ****. Thank you very much. I think that one's very easy to compress because we can use like 2 bytes? We could use 2 bytes. We can use 2 bytes to store that password, because like if we were to compress it, we just say 1 byte is the asterisk, and then the other byte is the binary number of how many asterisks there are, and so you compress that password into 2 bytes, and we have a 2 byte shenanigan thing. But I think we might need to go down and start using some like more complicated binary stuff. Not sure. Now, the part that might take a bit is we need to make a new project. This project. Oh wait, do we make it a plugin? Maybe we make it a plugin. Should we make it a plugin? If we make it a plugin, I can just like offer it to my overlay, and then it's easy peasy. Okay, let's do that. Okay. I've decided. Weissman, Compressionma. Okay. Where are we? Bloop. Bloop. Here we are. We've made it. Oh, that's Twitch event sub. No, we go to useful plugins, and we're gonna add a non-useful plugin, but that's okay. Compression. We say compression's useful, surely. So use Bevy, prelude, star, public, super, FN plugin app. Oh yeah, we might be drawing later today. So maybe we even make a drawing, see if we can compress it, and yeah. Yeah. I guess we also have to make an uncompressor, because how do we know if we've compressed it if we can't uncompress it? If you didn't need to uncompress it, then compressing is really easy if you think about it. Compressionma, yeah. Yo, what if the redeem is to get compressed, and then whatever file you put in that gets compressed, the ratio between the sizes of the file is how much that viewer got compressed. And then you have a compression score that we use alongside the Weissman score, I guess. Well, the Weissman score is for algorithm, but not the compression score. And then people can compete to be compressed. Yeah, that sounds pretty sick. That sounds pretty sick. We will save this. Save. Hello, save. Let me head over to main. And we go mod compression, and we do the same for library. Up mod compression, save. Washing machine people called to tell you they will come earlier to do the delivery. Oh, it's a good thing you're awake. Is that Poggies? I mean, I guess so. Well done. Congrats. Congrats on being an adult and buying things. What's wrong with this? Why is it broken? Why is everything broken? Oh, right. So this is not going to work anymore because I realized my actual overlay, it uses Bevy 14.2, but all the new stuff uses Bevy 15.2. And so either my overlay doesn't compile or everything else doesn't compile. I think anyway. Like, is that what's going to happen here? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You don't have to wait all day inside thinking they might come soon. Oh, we make a solid point. Strux. Cargo tumble. 15. Wait, is it 15.3? Is that what? Is that a valid? Is that a valid thing? Yo, back up. Hello, hi. Yo, later on in the stream, you'll be able to get compressed if you want. If you feel like getting compressed, we'll even score you on it, on how much you get compressed, based on the data you give us. Yep, compressed, exactly. Okay, so we'll have the compression algorithm, and it'll get data, and the data will be, let's just say it's string, and this is gonna compress data and spit out data, probably another string. We'll see. So for now, this just spits out data. So it's zero compression. We also need to program the Weissman score. we need to work out what the Weissman score is for just cause. I know we need duration. And then we also need like compression ratio, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Am I making a startup? I mean, well, I will. Or at least in the beginning, people can send their things in to get compressed, and then they'll get a compression score. And so, if we just transferred that to a website and it compresses music, then yeah, maybe it might be. Is this Pied Piper? No, no. This is Caked Owl. We're gonna call it Caked Owl, and we're gonna compress my cake. And we're gonna make an AI compression that releases rats and unlock a Tesla. What? What? Nani? Fimsy. Blockchain compression. Oh, yo, that's genius. Yo, if you can compress the blockchain, whew, whew, spicy. It's a Silicon Valley reference. Is it? I don't understand the unlock Tesla part or the AI compression part. I don't remember that in Silicon Valley. At the end. Yeah, I don't remember. Didn't Silicon Valley kind of die by the end anyway? So I probably stopped paying attention. Well, it got less tech related as it goes along, so yeah, I don't know. I don't remember. I'm sorry. Data plugin, compression ratio, Weissman score. But this returns a F32. We'll just say it's 0 for now. What else do we need? Well, yeah, so we need to start making the text that appears on screen as well as fireworks. So we're gonna go add systems startup. Oh, it might not be startup anyway. We'll put it on startup for now. That one setup. FN. Oops. Commands. Okay, so first things first is we're gonna yoink fireworks. So the best place to get free fireworks is we have a look at Bevy Hanabi for the fireworks. Oop. And then we go repository, and I fix my mouse sensitivity. There we go. We got examples. They have fireworks here. Firework.gif for firework RS. Yeah, look at this. Fireworks. Okay, so we just kind of just like yoink all of them, I think. Yoink all of this. Create Roddick, create that sparkle, trail effect. Okay, setup is the only part we don't copy, just straight there. And so we go to particles. I wonder, wait. We go new folder called particles. And then we go new file, fireworks.rs. And we just paste this in here. And we go use Bevy prelude star. Fire. The first one. What's that like? Is that person? I don't think it's person. I don't know the others. It's like a flower. It's a flower. Oh, Hana! It is a flower. Shit. Of course. Of course. It's a flower. Yeah, I know. I worked it out. I remembered. Okay, baby prelude. There's gonna be a lot of Hanabi stuff I need to like import, but that's okay. So particles, um, mod, fireworks. So, right? Just mod maybe? What's wrong with this? Did I spell them wrong? I did spell particles wrong. Okay. Fireworks, save. And then we go rename particles. Go back to particles. Mod fireworks. Okay, so what does this require? Import. Okay, so do they have a prelude? They do have a prelude, so we just import everything. And then what? What is wrong with this? Expected U32. Do I get rid of that? Or do I just get rid of the rider thing in Thailand? Did they well, they've done patches to it since the thing. Counter's now just a U32. Nice. Save. Okay, so let's have a look at the setup. What is setup? Okay, so setup is they spawned a camera. It's just got stuff on it. We don't care. Yo, bloom. Maybe we'll think about bloom. And then create effect. Create effect. Yeah, and then this spawns the effect, I guess. Do they have commands, entity spawn, particle effect, rock effect? Okay, so if I go copy, go up here, we just go paste. We go hub struct create fireworks question mark live event. Then we go pub use not pub use pub super fn plugin, I guess. And then we go app and mod app, and we go app dot trigger add observer. Add observer. This will be create effects. But then here we have trigger. So this triggers on create fireworks save. Okay, it does not like that. Why does it not like this? Well, it is fine. It is fine. So we go back to particles. Plugins, yeah. So we add the Sparkle plugin, and then we also add the fireworks plugin, like so. Okay, what's wrong here? It's probably nothing, right? Yeah, that's nothing. That's also nothing, so we ignore those. Okay, so all of this says it's not used, but that's false. Don't listen to it. Don't listen to it. Now, if we head to main, currently, when owlbot is ready, we should go commands.trigger, and we go create fireworks. Wait, let's see if this works. I'll go run. You in chat today? Yo, hello Stewie. Hi. Were you banned from chatting? What happened? Did you get time? Did Twitch think you were a bot? What's the deets? Of course you don't have to share. Of course. Commands. Oh yeah, let's see if we got, because if I don't know how long the fireworks last for, so if it's just one set of fireworks it's good, and if it's consistent fireworks then we'll have to work out how to make them stop. But hopefully you just have it on command and have celebratory fireworks. That'll be pog. Celebratory. Twitch is dumb sometimes. Okay, so we go connect to Twitch. Okay. Once it's ready. Oh, it did work. It's just right in the middle and very small. Oh shit. How do we fix that then? Yesterday, if you weren't VIP mod in a channel, you would get message rejected and none of your messages would go through. Damn. Damn, that's wild. Okay, so Firefox particle effects are too small and they don't go far enough. Always start from the same launch point. So circle. Oh right, this is the circle they start in. Go over to variations, randomizing initial speed and direction. Okay, so we need to scale everything up. Everything. Size, location. I was doing good job, John Dot. You couldn't say anything. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, it crashed a lot. Let's see. So basically, I need to make it bigger. So what's this? Add drag to particle to slow it down. So if we just get all the numbers and multiply it by 10, I think that's what we did last time, and it kind of worked. So we go 300 radius, 0 is still 0. That is a big number. That is also a big number. That is 0, velocity, blah, blah, blah. 0 is 0. This becomes 9 instead of 0.9. This is by 1, so it's redundant, but that's okay. Oh, that's RGB. We don't touch RGB. Color, yeah, color stays the same. Lifetime, we'll leave lifetimes alone. Acceleration, we times that by 10. I should just make them all multiply by a scale, and then we just change that. That would have been smarter. Spawner settings, rate stays the same. Wait, we save that. I presume we're gonna have to do that for all of these, because like, yeah, this is speed. We get 10. That's age. We start 0. Lifetime is the same. Acceleration by 10. Drag by 10. Color gradients. Trail. Nice. Pog. Pog. What is this speed? So I'm not seeing the size. The size is what is going on with the size? Direction. Multiply by 2, subtract 1, normalized. Oh, they're normalizing it. Nice. Lifetime, that's fine. Acceleration. Drag. Colors. Nice. I think that's everything. I believe that is everything. Oh yeah, let's see if that does it. Want to embiggen everything? You could just zoom the camera. Well, like, no, because we have all this other stuff here. Like, I have this other particle effect, and then we have my my click and drag thing that lets me click and drag and zoom things and unzoom things. But like particles, they are like they're just whatever. Okay, so they're spread out, but they're still small. Okay, they're spread out a lot. That's probably expected, actually. So Where is the head? Create effect. Yeah, okay, so none of this. Wait, so what is this? Center 0, axis. So this is what made it spread out, but that doesn't change the size of the attribute modifier, velocity, age, lifetime attribute, color. Okay. Okay, they don't have a size thing. Velocity. How did we do this for the clicking? For particles. So set position, set velocity, attribute. Yeah, the size. This is what we need. So we go pop the size modifier. Yeah, let's make it 50 and see how that goes. So init particle size, save. Oh, this is called like a rider or something. Yeah, I mean they changed the name. Oh shit, it doesn't like it. Uh-oh. Expected expression handle found rider expression. Oh, is this because I have to go expression handle like this? Yeah. The more you know. The more you know. This was meant to be the copy paste simple part. Okay. I don't know if they're bigger. Well, they don't look particularly bigger. We do that to all of them. Because maybe the head is not very visible. Because this one does have the most of it. So we go init particle size, save. Thank you for ordering me. Oh, I don't know if I have water. Oh shit. I'll leave this. I'll click this so we can see if it does anything. Okay, grabbing it up while I grab the water. Okay. I have water. Cool. It is cold. I don't think it is any bigger. Again. How is this? Well, this one also has 1,000. Init particle size. What is orient? Orient modifier. Because the particle size of 50 should be the same as this. So we'll connect to Twitch. Yeah, look at that big number. I need to make it tick up. I think that was the reason I needed to make it tick up. Oh yeah, the particles aren't changing size. This is how confusion ensues. Ensues. So if we just make this, let's just make this 500. Just something ridiculous. Maybe it'll be huge. Maybe it'll be huge. Because we're not doing anything about its size that is overriding it. And then the last one, yeah. Internet people called to tell you won't have internet in your apartment
So smart and cute. Oh my. Oh.
before 6th of May? 6th of May. Oh, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. You have 4G, but you doubt you can stream with this? Why do you doubt Will? You can stream with it. Well, I streamed with 4G for like, wow. It was sometimes 4G, but most of the time 5G, but I didn't really have any problems with that. Oh god, what is that? It didn't change. Why did it not change? That is how we set the size attribute. Yeah, with particle size. I'm so confused. Well, like, what size is the click effect? Gradient, modules, max particles, net position, lifetime. Yeah, it's 10. It's 10. Particle size is 10, so it should be fine. It should be fine. Oh, color blend mask. No, we can see them just fine. That's not the problem. Huh? Huh? Uh... Oh, screen space size. Is the particles in screen space logical pixels? If true, the size on screen space logical and not affected by camera projection. If false, particle is in world units. Size over lifetime modifier. Modifier modulating each particle's size over its lifetime for a gradient curve. So if I go true here, they're going to be huge, right? Is that a shader generator? No, it's not. No, it's not. I should make a button just for the instead of waiting for Twitch to be ready. Okay, this didn't help either. It's still small. It's still small, but yeah. Oh, I didn't change the other ones. Maybe that's it. So first things first, let's increase the radius back to 300, which should be like everywhere. And then we go true for this as well. And then oh shit, I missed one. This one we also go true here. Save. Now we go again. What is the literal thing referring to? It's nothing like that. It's just like a particle plugin system in Bevy. Like Bevy uses Vulkan to render, and I don't know if they make shaders from this. I'm pretty sure it uses. It might use compute shaders, and if they do, they're doing some crazy stuff. But that would be whatever Bevy compute shaders are. A WGSL variation, if I'm not mistaken. Why are they small? Aww. Is it because of this? Is it because we're multiplying it by 2%? If I go save and then go again, is this a DSL with DSL? Wait, what? Draw shader library. No. Okay, we need to keep that ratios. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? It is a Bevy plugin for particle effects, and whether or not it does shader things is completely not part of what you think about when you do this. Yeah, it is our Bevy Hanabi. It is what makes the my clicks have the little blue particle things. Okay. They're looking a bit more what's it called? Fireworky. Color gradient, attribute size, yeah. Attribute size is not doing anything. One particle towards its velocity to create achieve one particle trail, blah blah blah. Drag is whatever, constant downward acceleration, bit of variation randomizing the lifetime per particle, that's fine. Aging, that's fine. Initial velocity, that's that. So wait. We just these are the ones we didn't multiply by 10, but maybe we should. Although like the whole point of it is to normalize it, not to. Well, I mean they normalize it anyway. And we multiply the speed. What does uniform mean? Apply logical operator the uniform to this expression and another expression. Binary operator which applies component-wise operators that for vectors. Oh. So hang on. If we unmultiply that and then afterwards we multiply it by 10, the speed, do I have to go like dot multiply and then we go writer dot literal 10? It does not like that. Okay. Let's see what that is. Because this is the trail effect. Huh. Oh man, I forgot Albot is spamming chat. Oh no. Hang on. Let me go fix that. Oh, I didn't mean for it to spam chat. Stop spamming chat, bot. God damn it. I knew that was something I forgot. That's so cringe. So heckin' cringe. Okay, so it seems fine. Like 10. So actually, yeah, we get rid of the size shenanigans. Drag, acceleration, lifetime, age, velocity, speed. Why is uniform 0.4? So if we go 1 to 0.4 followed by multiplied by writer.literal 10. Oh man, okay, hang on. We go pub, no, const fireworks scale F32 10. Right? Fire, I can't spell fireworks. Fireworks scale, same. It's dark. I can see again. Actually, I can't. The light is too bright. Oh. Yeah, so you're here, and we just go multiply by firework scale. That's fine. This one's the same here. Firework scale. Oops. Multiply by firework scale. That's excellent. RGB, color, lifetime, acceleration, multiplied by fireworks scale, not fire brick. What even is fire brick? Does that mean anything to us? Fire brick multiplied by fireworks scale, save. You're confused? It's a shader generation thing? Well, like, yeah, they like don't bother you with whatever it actually does. And you just do it. What's this size? Oh, we get rid of that. This one. This is firework scale. Save. Position, vector 3. Well, I mean, uniform. Like, they all use small numbers here. I don't know if that's required. Oh well. Fireworks. Fireworks scale. Age. Lifetime. Velocity. Wait, do we make the other numbers smaller? Oh yeah, we did. Nice. Scale. That is all fine. This is also scale. Position, color, uniform, firework scale. Oh, this needs to be 4 to 6, I believe. Direction, that's okay. Lifetime, this. Oops. Multiplied by firework scale thing. Firework scale. Get rid of particle size. Okay. Oh, I forgot this one. Okay, I don't know if this actually works, but I guess we'll find out. I don't. Did I make the spawn radius? Yeah, this should not be. This should not be scaled with the size, but I'll put it on 300 for now. Okay, yeah, it is very small. So if I go 100, we just go 100. Do things actually get bigger, or does it not? Does it not work like that? Connect to Twitch. Okay, it does get bigger. It just doesn't look very good. So this, the actual distance they're going slash. Wait, what? Yo, Sky Gray, hello. How you doing? Yo, I was browsing. I was browsing the YouTubes. Here, did I screenshot it? Did I screenshot it? I was browsing the YouTubes the other day, and I saw something very interesting. So I'm just seeing if I have a screenshot. I should have just like told it to search for just images. Just images. That would have been faster. That would have been faster. Oh no. Why am I having deja vu? Not the deja vu. Oh yeah, I do have a screenshot. Does it dox anything? It does not. Boop. Look, I'm I can't look anymore. What? Why am I over here? Oh, what the? What is going on? What is going on? What is this? Sorry. What? Okay. Okay. Yeah, look. I'm not signed in. Not signed in. I've never seen any of your stuff on YouTube. Like I was watching you on Twitch, but you did show up here. I was like, yo, what the popping off? That video looks cringe, you should not watch it. Yo, I did watch it, and I was like, what the? That's like a real YouTube video right there. Thank you for sending me to Eve and watering me salad, by the way. I was like, damn, a real YouTuber. Oh, me. I thought it was pretty cool. Lots of quality. Okay, so this particle things. Maybe what we do is for its size. Well, if we go back to saying screen space is false, does that change anything? Does that change anything? Because I don't know. Yeah, false. Save. Run. YouTube. Hello, Bix. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I was about to look and then I forgot. Oh, sleeping. Being awake. Sleeping and being awake. Okay, so screen space didn't necessarily change it too much. What am I doing? So I need the size of it to be a smaller factor than yo. Exciting. Few outline butt hats on. You bring Yuri? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Hello. Thank you for the raid. Yo, everyone should go follow Azure as because their stream was hella pog, and I kind of watched it from start to finish today. Well, I was at work and I watched it all the way through work. It was very entertaining. Oh, I did it twice. Oh well. Yeah, hello Raiders. Hi. At the moment, we're trying to make fireworks to appear on screen. Thank you for watching. It was very entertaining. And my god, I wanna play ODST so badly. Fireworks. Yeah, we're trying to make fireworks come on screen because we're once I work that out, we'll be working on compression, blind compression, where I naively try to compress whatever data I'm given, and we will show the Weissman score on screen, and like if the Weissman score is better than the previous ones, you know, we have fireworks and stuff. I don't know. Procedurally, more like particle effects, kinda. Silicon Valley style, maybe. Don't know. But the main part is we're gonna naively try to compress data and then probably look up some actual compression algorithm stuff and see if we can understand it. I'm keen. But first we have to work out why the fireworks are small or big. They're not like working correctly, I guess. Oh wait, no. The fireworks scale should be the fireworks size should be static, because once we have a good size for the fireworks, it doesn't matter their velocities and stuff don't change what their size is. So I just make this size, right? I put it in the bracket, yeah. Yeah, fireworks size doesn't exist. Yeah, that's okay. And then this one is fireworks size. We go to the top, paste. Oh, I did not paste. Paste size. Then we'll make the velocity like 10 times faster again. Hello, Norris Chair. Hi, hello. But yeah, I don't really know much about compression, and so I imagine we're gonna have to do some binary shenanigans, and I'm here for it. Okay, so this didn't work. This does not look like fireworks. Does this look? It looks kind of like scuffed rain. So we made some scuffed rain by accident. Oh no. What did we mess up? So the spawn radius is 300. That's fine. This maybe we get the result of this, and then we go multiply by rider.lit by firework scale. I think that's it. Save. Velocity is velocity. So this is the up velocity they start with. So surely this fixes it, right? Surely that fixes it. Initial age, trails, lifetime, acceleration, downward acceleration is also multiplied by firework scale, so that's probably fine. And drag to make particles slow down as they ascend. This is probably fine too, right? You know, you're both gonna pass out now? Yeah. Have a good pass out. Thank you for streaming. And the raid. Thank you for the raid as well. Thank you. I hope you've eaten food, because your stream was like 8 hours last time I checked. You should eat food, both of you, if you haven't. But hopefully you've been snacking. Maybe. Oh yeah, what if we just get rid of gravity? Fuck gravity. Gravity can be weak. You got a snack break? Hell yeah. Nice. I like how I'm using the whole Twitch API to to just start my fireworks. Okay, so they're spawning, but the square is staying in the same place. It's not going up. It's not going up. Wait, is the drag keeping it in the same spot? Is it gonna like yeet off the screen now? Or is this a thing where we don't need to scale the velocity, just the size, and the rest like does the magic? Oh my god. It might be that. Oh god. And if that's true, I just need to keep everything identical then. So I need to go through and delete all the scale multipliers. Well, actually, if we just make the scale just 1, that's the same as removing the scale multipliers. Well, firework alive, up, plus, plus, something like that. Something like that connects. Boom, boom. Look at that timer. Yo, I don't know what this is, but it's something. It's something, alright. Alright, so how about we go 10? 10. How about that? We just go with 10. So initial velocity, this one. Maybe we do need to multiply this by the literal firework scale. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's not going up. It's not going up. It's horizontal fireworks. Look at that big number. Oh! Yo, it's actually moving up a bit. And then the others are still slow. Okay, so is it a velocity thing? Like well, we still need more velocity up, but if we make it look kind of correct, then we can scale everything up again. So what is this? This is the sparkle trail effect. Okay, so what if we don't multiply speed? I haven't plugged in my drawing tablet and oh man, I unplugged it ages ago. I haven't replugged it in a long time. Okay, so I think the trail is looking better. So if we come into this one and we just get rid of that, what is that like? Screen space is false. What does screen space mean? Particle is particle size is in screen space logical pixel question mark. If true, the size is in the screen space logical pixels and not affected by camera projection. If false, in world units. What if we put this up to 100? Wait, do we get the original? Wait. I should really just put it back, put the scales up. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Look at that. Oh my god. Wait. The explosion. The explosion is not working. Okay. What's going on with the explosion? Are we multiplying gravity? Yeah, we are. We are multiplying gravity and the drag. Okay, we get rid of those. Okay, connect to Twitch. Oh, Yo! They're all going the same. I don't think that's how it's meant to look. They're all going the same direction, I think. All the different particles. What's this trail effect? Is this right? What's this? Trail effect for the trails coming out of the rocket explosion. They spawn in a burst each time a rocket particle dies equals explode. Okay, what's this one? This is the tail, right? Yeah, this is the tail. Okay, tail's fine. This is wrong. Speed. Direction. Okay, we're not doing anything to direction though. Lifetime. All of this. What if the speed is the thing that needs the multiplier firework scale? Horizontal fireworks? Even when the documentation's unsure?
A stat engine says emergency warning. Gravity was removed.
Uh-oh.
Please grab the closest stable thing near you to avoid floating up to space.
That is true. Don't float up to space, that could be quite problematic. Quite the problematic issue. Why didn't you use the same explosion effect from drag and drop? Because it's not fireworks. The fireworks looks way better when it works. Yeah, look at that! Yeah, see, this is why. The colors aren't working though, but otherwise, like, that's why. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so currently they need to go. They need to start further down. That's to start with. So create effects. Three axis radius. Start from the same launch point. Do we do 720 here for the width, and then of the screen, and then when we create the particle effect, that is the rocket. Well, wait, where does it start? It starts at what's this axis? Oh, center. Yeah. This needs to be 0 negative 320 negative 320 0 save. Well, actually, no. We keep this on Y. It should be 0. It should be 0. The radius, what's the axis say? Circle axis, which is normalized, normal, blah blah blah. So this is Z for a 2D game. We do not have we have a 2D game, but they set it to Y, so I'm not touching it. All we need to do here is set the translation. Transform from translation vector 3 u 0 negative 320 0. I think that's right. Minor comma. Let's see how this goes. Oh damn, that does look hella good. What the? Yo, is that a new emote? Oh, that's very cool. That's very cool. I see. Okay. Okay, it's oh, I know what's happening. We also need to move it negative what's half of 720? So 450 is 9. 350, 360, negative 360 on the x-axis. Because I think it's 720 by 480. Maybe we're dropping it down too low. Because basically, okay. Yeah, we might be dropping it down too low. Maybe we're moving it to the left too far. Like how far off to the side are we? Wait, we are off center in the X direction. Are we not at 720? Well, if we go in X direction, we go 320, and then this is. Wait, what would the height be though? 720 by 480, so that would be, mean that is 240. I mean, I could just get the window size. I probably should just get the window size, but oh well. Oh well. Start Twitch, do that one, do that one. Yeah, I delete my T. We do have some colors. Okay, cool. Yeah, look at that. Fireworks. Is it mostly in the middle? Hang on, let me use these shapes to indicate the edge of the visible screen. Oh yeah, so it's too far right now. How does that work? Too far to the right. So we need to minus it more? Wait, what? Oh wait, no, hang on. This thing, the radius should be the width of the screen. Oh yeah, that is 720. Let's go 680. You feel like the vector of the explosion have too big of an arc? It should point in the direction of the rocket with like 10 or plus or minus 10% spread. Oh look, that's looking better. Oh, that's way off. That's way off to the side, right? Because if we put these on the bottom edges, this is within these two is visible screen. Okay, so it's way over here, and wait. Let's just make sure this is doing stuff. So if we go a radius of like 10, this should mean it basically they all spawn in like the same spot. Oz, hello. Hi. How you doing, Oz? How you doing? Oh, they don't spawn in the same spot. Wait, that changes the oh, they do. Okay. So wait, it says always start from. Is this part wrong? Is this part wrong? Wait, what is the reference GIF? What does the reference GIF look like? What should it look like? Oh, what the? Yo, that's sick. Okay, let's go. Okay. If the fireworks scale is 1 and the size is 1, do we get that, but it's just really small? You're okay, you can sleep, so you got up. Oh, that's unfortunate. Yeah, I'm doing good. Yeah. As you can see, I just started streaming, but I've been awake a long time. Oh, it's very dark out. You went in the dash of the rocket, you're still half asleep? Yes. Wait, did it work? Yeah, okay, so it is here. But it's very small. It's tiny. It's very tiny. Okay, so if we set this to if we set this to true, does that mean they will be big because it's not affected by the camera projection? I mean, that'd be cool if so, but it wasn't what it was doing before. Ant firework? Yeah, ant firework. Look at that timer. Look at it go. Look at it go. You know, it's not even, oh, it is here. You can see it's here. But it's like falling down. It's so hard to see. It's here, but it looks like it's falling down rather than going up. Okay, so that doesn't work. So if we get 100 here, what happens? What happens? I should really just make a firework button. What the? How does that change? I don't understand this. Why would changing the size gradient constant? Gradient contains a key value 0 and nothing else. Any sampling evaluates to a single value. G.sample 0.3. I don't get it. Gradient. A gradient curve made of key points and associated values. Gradient can be sampled anywhere and will return a linear interpolation of the values of its closest keys. Sampling before 0 after 1 returns a constant e value equal to one of the closest bound. So fireworks size. So we get fireworks size is 1, but the firework like velocity scale is 100. Well, like, how do we, if we, oh. Okay. We can see it here, kinda. It's very small again. What we just do by 10 instead of by 100? But like, this doesn't stop the fact it's tiny. I don't know how to stop it from being tiny. I really don't understand this. Okay, what kind of camera do they use? So we go fireworks. all the great stuff, great effects. And firework. Set up. Oh. Oh, wait, this is the camera. What do we have for our camera? Camera. Yeah, we just have camera 2D defaults, and they have a camera 3D. They have a camera 3D. Really? So if I just slap this in here, and then import and import. Okay, save. Does that break everything? Tiny equals cute. Does it? Have you seen a tiny spider? Is that cute? Okay, camera order ambiguous. Camera order is ambiguous. Order 2. So the 3D one should draw on top of the 2D one. I don't think that's right. Actually, it should be the other one. Tiny spooters does sound cute. I'm pretty sure the smaller they are, the more dangerous they are. Okay, fireworks. We go back to 1 and 1. Jumping spiders. Oh my god. No. Wait. I didn't click the go button. It's not rendering anything. Wait. What if we get rid of camera 2D? We just have this. Oh, and then we also get rid of this. Save. And then we click run. Small equals dangerous. You have nothing to fear here. Oh my god. Filthy. Filthy. What the? How can you do this? Whoa, what the? Where did I go? Where did I go? Actually, though. Oh my god. What the? Am I back? I am. Hello. Nommed by spiders. That's true. It is true. I did get nommed. Sanched. Oh shit! Look how sick they look. Oh shit! They're gone. Where did they go? Were they stopped? Did I break them by resizing the window? Why is it like blue and then the other thing? Oh, look at that. Okay, they're really low down. By the way, it's the Hello Pog. Okay, so if I go back to main, bring back the 2D camera, it's probably fine, right? It's probably fine. We also should have the clear color as probably none, right? I don't know why it goes blue. Okay. So if I move it up, so we go here, fireworks, The X can stay the same. Wait, is it to do with... hang on, let's just go 0. Is it to do with the radius, the spawn radius being like 300 or something? Oh no, it's only 10. The spawn radius is 10. Well, let's move this up by like 320. Save. Run again. Yeah, that's a crappy mode. What the? I should make the clear color nothing. Although the 2D is still working. The UI is at least. Oh. Where's the fireworks? I guess we're hella zoomed in, so if we go firework of +1 up, wait, do we set it somewhere? Or we just have radius 10. This might click pet particles. Ah! Wait, we saw 1. Where's the rest? Where's the rest of the fireworks? Oh man, I don't understand this. I don't understand this at all. What if we change this to true? And true. And true. Save. Run. Well. Yo, look how cute it is. How do I make it bigger? The ultimate question. Okay, so now if I go fireworks size ×2. Oh, it's probably like scale, right? Because we need this. Oh, I don't know. I do not know. Why are they down there now? And what if we scale also as by 2? I really don't understand this fireworks. Oh. Yo, that's sick. We did make it bigger. Yo, I think we achieved it. So if we go 4 and 4. So we need to change the clear color. Yeah, like that. Holy. Okay, clear color. Can I go none? Save? Or, like, I'm pretty sure this doesn't work. I'm pretty sure Bevy has a bug. That means this doesn't work. Oh no, it does work. Okay, so the problem is we're showing it here.
A stat engine says the internet was not lying. There is a way to increase the size of your firework.
Wait, why does this keep changing? Oh, it changes to wherever I click. Is that something I've done on purpose? The internet was not lying. There is a way to increase the size of your firework. decompile your rocket. Look at that. We got some fireworks. Although we don't have any cool plume stuff. So what if we go color is black, and then here for the 2D one we go paste. Sure, yeah, the 2D can also be HDR. This is none, and it can have the order of 2, and this can just have default order, although it's both fine, right? Well, the particles, so at the moment when we click, this is where the fireworks will be. And we have we have like double fireworks because we have the small variation in the middle and the big one, and they're the same rendering. The same particles rendered twice. So that's because both planes are on, they have the same render layer, I guess. So I suppose we go to main. So hang on, so camera 2D. So we want a camera that is, wait, ideally we want the 3D camera on top though, right? Whatever. Although we also want this to be none, right? Because it will be overlaid onto the screen, and so none makes sense. It just means bloom doesn't do anything, right? Well, I think we just need to well, yeah, okay. So we get rid of that and put it here. And it does not go there. It's here. What was the clear color before? Default, I guess. It was default. Okay, so render layers. So if we make this one here, it's yo, what the squares are a bit bloomy. That's not good, I think. Okay, so what is happening when I click? Because clearly clicking is moving it, and I don't know what I did to do that. Particles. Create click effects. So blah blah blah. Click effects. That thing. This thing. Transform. So particles. We don't want this to be draggable. Wait, what? Oh, mouse click. Oh, right, effect spawner. Effect spawner. So we just grab name. And then we go here, we go name. And then we go if name contains if name contains what do we call this one? Click effects. If name contains click effects. Okay, now we'll stop moving the whole firework thing. Devnal, hello. Welcome, welcome. All right, I need to get rid of the icky bloom. Icky. Wait, so is it because HDR is 2D or because... No, it's because we turned up bloom to our... Wait, no, we didn't. Is it because we have... It is because we have HDR, because HDR is, what's it called? Bloom only works with HDR, so the bloom is being applied to the 2D layer, which makes it look kind of rip. Hey, look at that. Look how ripped that looks. Anyway, let's turn HDR off on the 2D layer. We don't need that. We don't need that shenanigans. You hope I'm doing good? Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm doing good. Last time I checked, I was like, yeah. Huh. Fireworks. Okay, so yeah, the fireworks looks way less impressive now, though. Well, like, bloom should still be enabled. Oh, let's play fine. Unless it's using this instead of this camera. Right, render layer. Render. Wait, no. We set it in here, right? Render target. Target, and this will render to what are all of the structs it can be? Viewport, active, computer, target, output mode, right back, sub camera view. Camera 3D. Wait. If we put this up to 1, replace with 1.5. Sure, we'll go with 1.5 maybe then. Because like the problem is it doesn't have the black to illuminate, and so maybe that's interesting. The small version is definitely colored, but this bigger one is darkness. It's like reverse colored. How does that even work? Oh, because once you go over 1 intensity, it's black and they fade out, and so the more faded out they were, the more color they got, I guess. They're very muted colors. 0 8s. I don't understand. How can their colors work like that? Firework GIF. Multi-camera. What's this portal? The portal example demonstrated the use of the tangent accelerate modifier to create a kind of portal effect where particles turn around in a circle and appear to be ejected from it. Yo, what the? That sounds cool. What is this ordering? Example of demonstrates occluding particle effects behind opaque and partially transparent objects. Vision is based on that. Okay. Camera. Particle effects. An object. Another object. That's not the ordering I wanted. Portal. We might come that. Multicam. This is what I was looking for. So grid position of the camera, split camera. Setup. Layers render, layer 0, 0 with 2, 1 with 2, and 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Render layers of 4 cameras using a mix and match to see the differences. So spawn 4 cameras in a grid, 4-player couch co-op style. Oh. Any clear render target on the first camera, others additively render on the target. It has split camera with their UV position. Wait, a layer clone? Oh, right, they're going through all 4 layers. Yeah, okay. The light affects all the views, cube, plane. Yeah, okay. So basically, we go render layers layer. Let's go with like particle layer, and then up here in main we'll go, well, not even in main, just in here we go mod particle layer view size. Let's say that's equal to 2. What's wrong with this? Expected item. Pub const. Yeah. And then when we create a particle, so this one is not part of that render layer, but the fireworks is. So I believe it's when we create a factor here, we go render layers layer particle layer. We just do the same for all of these. Save. And so it should stop drawing on the 2D plane and just the 3D one. And it didn't like that. It did not like that. Import. Save. Is there other errors or these are fine? Yep. Well, this fireworks thing taken, I did not expect it to be this much effort. Oh yeah, we did get rid of the small one, which is good. Although now a normal click particle effect is gone, so we need to fix that. Wait, why is it gone though? It shouldn't be gone. It should be the default render layer. So if we go oops, here, and we just go pub const UI layer resize, and we'll say this is like layer 1. When we create our effect, which is somewhere, this one. Oh, well, an effect happens immediately. We do it once, but on click. Where's the on click? Mouse click event. Oh, we changed its translation and we set it. Oh, so here we just go render layers layer, UI layer. Might be like 2D layer, but that's okay. We'll just call it UI layer. What else do we have on this layer? We have the squares and stuff, but I think they're on the correct layer already. Oh, it didn't like it. Wait, what didn't it like? What did it not like? Particles? Something in here? What the? UI layer? No UI layer in the root. Particles. Are you sure about that? Yeah, so now it's like here, UI layer. And we go import create UI layer. But isn't this like where it said it was like not in root? What do you mean not in root? Is it because we put it in the library and not main? It is that. It is exactly that. So I guess let's just put it in here for now with the other layer. Yeah, this will go now. Save. Those are fine. Actually, I think it's fine. I think it's ready to compile. Yawn. Yeah, I am much tireder than I had considered. Oh, we still don't have our clicky thing. Why do we not have our clicky thing? Thank you for the pats. Wait, what? Oh, is it because when we created the camera, I didn't give it a layer? That's probably it, right? Yeah, this camera we gave a layer, but not this one. So here, render layers, layer, UI, layer. Save. Oh, that means the squares, the shapes aren't gonna show up either. Oh no. What? We saw the clicky thing, but now it's gone. Ah, shit. Yeah, so if we are commands dot spawn, and we just go camera 2D default. So this is definitely not going to be the UI layer, because I think this is a bug that I ran into in the past. Look at Twitch. They're outing it. What is this? There are multiple instances. What's this? Camera order is ambiguous. Ambiguous. Oh, the fimshes! Holy, so many fimshes. Holy. You are also biggest.
Ian Devnall subscribed for a total of 7 months. Got jump scare by ads Novely 8 panic.
Oh no. I'm sorry. Oh, I really need to manually control the ads and proc them with my program instead of Twitch just doing it whenever. Compress you, please. Yeah, we have gotten very distracted from the compressing part of this project. Maybe tomorrow we'll do the compression part. Because like this fireworks was meant to be like, oh, you just copy paste the example and then you're done. You just either turn it on or off. But it's become complicated. Okay, so this has an order of 1 because it's under the 3D camera but above the particle, the the particle camera. Wait, does that make sense? This is the one that's gonna have the buttons and stuff on it. And then if it's 1, that means this needs a clear color of none. And 2. And then we also just default here. We save. Yeah, because this one has a clear color, because this renders first, and then this one renders, and then this one renders. One intelligent title, Weissman's score. Yeah, we haven't implemented the algorithm yet. We haven't even gotten to the anything compression related. Oh, I don't have any clicks still. Okay, so I don't understand what's going on here. Like, what happened to where's our little click particles? Because we have this, right? Wait. If I get rid of that, where does it end up? Connect. Yeah, we don't have the clicky clicks. Where's my clicky clicks? Oh shit, it died. It died. What happened to this? Well, that was interesting. That was interesting. Right click effect. I don't understand. I actually don't understand. Oh, what if it's a this thing problem? Let's overwrite. Let's do overwrite. I don't remember what mask means. Color mask. All. That means all colors, right? Like, we see the first one. The first one shows up correctly, but clicking after that just doesn't work. Does this also kill it? Yeah, it's gonna kill it. Look. Yeah. Overwrite. So, like, what was it before? What'd you like? It shows up and it works, right? Oh, I know what happened to it. I know what happened to it. This is not working correctly. Because maybe it doesn't have name, even though we say with name. The effect name is used when serializing the effect. Um. Oh no. Oh no. Click effect. Okay, so how do I get the specific particle? How do I get a specific particle? Do they have an example of that here? Ordering, portal, puffs, random, ribbon? What's a puff? Spawn on command, textual, visibility, worms, visibility, activate. Oh, maybe it's activate. Activate with a name. Activate. Okay. All with children. See, they do name new effect. Maybe they do it with name. If text.0 is active or inactive to string. Text. What is text? Qtext. Where is Qtext? Qballs. Oh, it's just text with status. Yeah, what if we just give it a name? New. Click effects. Save. Wait. If I do that, let's bring this back. Save. And then we add that here. Name new. Click effects. Save. Okay. This one. Oh, it is working. Nice. We have both. Do we need all cameras? Do we need all cameras? Oh shit. Because like if I go get rid of the UI layer here, go to main and get rid of this one and also get rid of this, and we go run. Yeah, okay. It is absolutely fine. Okay, so we need to make the fireworks bigger again, I think. So we got 8. 8 and 8. How about that? It's gonna be huge. Maybe we make the size of the fireworks smaller than the velocity thing, but that's okay. Oh wow, that's really cool. It's very concentrated in the middle. How do I spread that out? So what if we make the size 6 and then where is radius? This thing, what if we go 30 radius instead of just 10? Maybe that's too much. Okay, that's pretty good. What if we go with 3 size? Just keep making the particles physically smaller. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, we got some fireworks. Oh, that took way too long. We did it though. Okay, so we needed to go on for a little while and then delete itself. So when we do create the firework effect, yeah, so we do spawn these. So I wonder if we just put a little timer on them. So we go new file, and it will be the expire plugin. Use Bevy prelude star, and we go pub super plugin app and my app. Because yeah, basically the whole point of this library here is just to make things super, just make lots of small, super useful things. Component of struct expire. Then we have a timer inside, I believe. Up timer. And then here we go. Well, do we want timer? Or do we just want to give? No, we'll use timer. Add systems, update, fixed update? Yeah, fixed update. Expire entities. So all this little thing will do is just make entities delete themselves after duration. So fn expire entities. And this will have entities, which is a query of entity with also immutable reference to expire as a tuple. And because we will be despawning stuff, we have commands here, commands. And so here we go for entity timer immutable in immutable reference of entities. We go, we need time as well. So time, the resource of time. So here we go, timer dot tick time dot delta. Why? Oh, we haven't added this to the list. So hard mod expire save. We'll also do it here. Mod expire save. Okay. Expire entities. That's fine. Timer.tick is not fine. Commands. Is it not tick? Yo, why is timer not? Oh, timer.0.tick. I understand. So we go to timer 0. No, just finished. So can we tell if it started? In current spam equivalent. Set. You know what? That's fine. That's fine. So what we'll do is we'll go tick, and if timer.0.finished, and we go commands.entity despawn recursive save. We make this mutable, and then we'll make a little helpful function. So we have movement expire, fn new seconds as an F32. This returns expire. We go timer new for the duration from seconds F32, so seconds, and the timer mode is once. So here we go. Timer build that. Timer set reset. Do we have to start it? I don't think it makes sense that we have to press type of resets in order for it to start. So I guess we just go expire timer, just like that. And that's it, I think. That's our little self-contained plugin. And so in here, in main, we just go expire again, save, and then for the particles, create fireworks. Yes. So create fireworks. We'll just have a duration F32. So of F32, create fireworks on FN new duration seconds F32. So I'm pretty sure we can't add plugins twice, and that becomes problematic in this case specifically. Duration. Yeah, so here we can go expire new trigger dot 0. And we paste it here and here. Okay, what's wrong with this? Yeah, so it becomes a problem because if we ever want to import the fireworks plugin just by itself, it won't know. Yeah, so we go add plugins, expire plugin. This will have an error, right? Because we'll be importing plugin twice. Invalid event. Create fireworks is not an event. Yeah, it is. What do you mean? Oh, we never. But we. What? I'm confused. Why does. Create fireworks is not an event. Oh, right, because I haven't created it. Right, so we go back to main. Here, yeah. We go new. Let's go with like 5 seconds. Mm. Yeah, adding another plugin that's already in the application. So that's can we conditionally add plugins? Like like for now we can just get rid of it here. But like the problem is if like our clock wants an expire or a draggable interface wants an expire, then all of a sudden we have a problem. Okay, does it happen? Oh, it does happen. Oh. Wait, okay, so fireworks. Spawn pocket. Create rocket effect, that's dimensions. Okay. That'll do for now, I think. That'll do. That'll do. Okay, let's go a bit more than 5. Let's go like 15 seconds. Okay, no, now we can create fireworks. Nice. Nice. If I was to make the window transparent, how would I do that? You go set, window plugin, fill structs. No, there's no window plugin. Set. I've forgotten what plugin we need. View plugin seems wrong. Oh, I'm gonna have to look this up on my own. Extract components, pipeline rendering. Maybe under pipeline rendering, but yeah, I don't remember. How do we do this on the owl overlay? Main. We do it just here, don't we? Here we are. Oh, window plugin. It is window plugin. I'm silly. I'm a silly one. Honestly, I should stop soon. I can feel myself dying. So this is our useful overlay things. Decorations. I guess true. Transparent, true. Resizable. Go false. We could always have on bottom. Not at the moment though. Okay, so now if we go cargo run, it should be transparent. Actually, we might still clear the color, so we might need to change this to none as well. Yeah, we do. So we go here. None. Save. This should leave us with a fully transparent window, hopefully. It does. Okay, so now if I go to The fimsh scene, and then we go new window capture, and then this will be new overlay. Select the window to capture will be useful things. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, what is on screen at the moment? Look, I can take this away. Look, we have cubes. We have a timer. Oh, timer. Now if I connect Twitch, oh, look, fireworks. Yay. Look at them all. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Wait, are they rendering under the text now? No, surely not. Yeah. Yo, we should have a fireworks to redeem. Do you want a fireworks redeem? That could be Pog. Very nice, thank you. I need to be able to hide some of this stuff. I mean, I can hide it behind me. I can just like put it over here. And then this timer. I don't know what the timer does, but I can hide it behind me too. These buttons, we need to be able to hide them, I guess. Connect. I should just have a fireworks button, because what is even happening here? Wait, why does this die? Wait, so when we click the connect button, we don't do anything with the Bevy though, right? Not Bevy, Hanabi. Unless we do, and then if we do, then that's a rip. Handle Twitch, ready. Well, on ready, we say create fireworks. Oh, is it just because we're creating fireworks? Hang on. I comment that out. Connect to Twitch. And then we disconnect from Twitch. Oh no, Albot's spamming chat again. Does it crash again? No, it does chill. Oh yeah, it is because we create fireworks again. Wait, how do we stop it then? Expire. Well, okay, let's make the expire a bit more versatile. So we go derive, component, obstruct, expired, save. So instead of despawn recursive, it's insert expired. We also do commands dot entity. Well, we just do that here. We go dot remove expire save. Okay, so we insert expired and we remove expire, and now what we do under fireworks, so we can handle how we want that to happen. So yep, fireworks expired is a trigger of a on add of expired. So when they become expired, we do stuff to them. We need to import this. We do custom things to them, and we need to add that here. So add observer fireworks expired. Save. What do we actually need to do? We need to because the particle effect here, we tell it to reset with the spawner settings. So we'll link this, go back to here, paste. We will need to get that name. Do you know how games do networking? Like if you want to change network packets to send to the MMORPG, how would I do this? Oh my, Roboto. You trying to get yourself, not Roboto, Robert. Oh no. You trying to get yourself banned? There's lots of ways to do it. But like in terms of educating oneself on how networking can work, like you know how like you go to a web page and then it redirects you to a different web page, or like it redirects the request to another server. If you were to, let's say, have an old server that you wanted to make sure any stragglers on like an old client were directed to the new server, what you would do is like you would grab the data that you receive and then you would send it to the new location. But if you didn't want it to like get to the back end, you would grab the data and then stop it from going anywhere, and then you would send the data to wherever you want, and you would have the data to modify if you wanted to do that. But yeah, don't cheat. Don't cheat. That is the simple moral. Oh. As to what software, I can't recommend any software for doing that, but there's a bunch. There's a bunch of things you can do to make that happen. Fireworks. Yeah, so actually what we'll do is we'll just create a component, live component this can just be struct fireworks. And yeah, instead of name, you can just go with particle effect and fireworks. What's wrong here? Is it with twice? I always end up forgetting how with works. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that means when we create the fireworks, yeah, we just go fireworks and fireworks and fireworks. You in the next you could sniff out calls to the kernel. It could be heavily multiplexed, so it could be in binary format or whatnot. So you wonder what is the normal method for game developers. Sniff out calls to the kernel. It could be heavily multiplexed, or it could be yeah, I don't have that much low level information. I don't know if I can help. Sorry. Okay, so we have all the fireworks ones here. So I wonder what can we do with this? So if let sum is equal to particle effect dot get trigger dot entity. And the sum is transform and effect spawner. Although we probably don't need transform. Is this an okay? Yeah, it is an okay. Okay, so an effect spawner. Whether or not the spawner is active. Yeah, so we just go false. Save. I wonder if this works just on the rocket part, because like if we get rid of that, and so now if it just gets rid of it spawning more of itself, then that's gonna be very pog indeed. Oh, we need to remove expired from it. So your commands mutable. Oops. Mutable. Is that showing up on screen? It is. Nice. Commands dot remove entity triggered entity dot remove expired save. And then I guess what we do is we go create effect. Here we go we just check if it exists or not. So fireworks query of entity with fireworks and we will reference of entity was the spawner thing? Spawner settings? Is that what it was? Effect spawner. I went past it. Effect spawner. So yeah, here we go. For entity fire effects. Firework effects in and mod fireworks. If this is true, here we'll just return early. Otherwise, this needs to be mutable. This one's also immutable. And then commands entity insert expire new trigger.o, and then here we go firework effects dot active is equal to true. Yeah, okay, so hopefully that stops it from dying. And then instead of on button click, let's make a new button. Let's just make another button instead of like connecting to Twitch. Paste. And then yeah, so send event on click, and then the event will be create fireworks new 15 seconds with the text of fireworks exclamation mark times 3. We need another close bracket here. Okay. Why does not like that? Why do you not like this? Yeah, why do you not like this? What's going on? Clone is not implemented for Create Fireworks. That is A-OK. Clone. Save. Nice. Alright. Now we have a fireworks button. Oh. Fireworks. Oh shit, it died. What happened? Plugin used. Particles 17. 17? Oh, that's just my print line. Oh, right. So it died because this is a event rider. So this would be, we'll make another one called trigger event on click. And then instead of event rider here, we just have, commands. And so this is not commands. And so this is commands dot trigger save. Yeah. Then we come back to the button. This one, so trigger event on click, save, run. Yeah, this is a helpful function, this little trigger and send event on click. We should put it somewhere. Fireworks. It died. Why did it die? Why did you die? Panicked. Okay, so fireworks. Why did you die? Panic, panic, panic. Great effects, which has this. I think I smell food. Whoa. Okay, so trigger on click event. Okay, new plugins particles. Okay, create fireworks. Yeah, cannot access system parameter. Charisma events. Create fireworks note. Blah blah blah. Cannot panic while playing 2.0 events. Oh, did I forget something? Trigger events. Oh shit, I put it in the wrong one. So this should be send events. And this one should be trigger. Yeah. That's more like it. Fireworks. Nice. Look at it go. Look at all their fireworks. Hell yeah. Oh, and it finishes properly now. Pokies. Wait, does that mean I can click fireworks again? And it will work? Oh my god, it does. Fireworks on command. Sheesh. Wait, so what we will do is actually we'll see if it has expire. Because if it has expire, so we get option expire. Here here, expire. We go if let's expire is equal to expire. We might need to make it mutable. Immutable reference of expire, because basically we want to extend the time if it has it, so this becomes mutable. Here we go, expire dot timer. Well, if we go add time, and then we just pass in figure dot ho. Otherwise we add in the expire trigger myself, and so we head to expire. Here we go, and add time seconds f2. This is a immutable reference. So here we go, self dot o dot we need to get the elapsed time, I think. Elapsed. We get the elapsed seconds, and we also go self dot zero dot duration as seconds f32. So this is let time left is equal to that. This needs to be immutable. We go time left s equals seconds. And we go self dot 0 dot set duration to time left. Duration from seconds f32 time left, like so. Then we go self dot o dot reset, and that's how you add time to the timer. This needs to be mutable. Save. Oh, this doesn't need to be mutable though. All right. Let's see if that works. All right, so fireworks again. So if I just spam click it a bunch, we should have fireworks for a really long time. It'll be very obvious when we're past 15 seconds. But yeah, okay, cool. That's perfect. That is perfect. Flawless, in fact. What if we make the particles even smaller? Does it look better if we make it smaller? So what if we go back to firework size 1? What does that do to it? No, it's too small. Too small. How about 2? How does 2 look? Okay, 2's not bad. We had it on 3 before. 3 was definitely good, yeah. 3 is a good amount. All right, time to fireworks, I guess. Look at that. Yeah, 3 is excellent, in fact. Nice. Now we can make this available to the user. Handle Twitch. Yes. So we can go FN spawn fireworks, and this will be my Twitch events. Event reader Twitch events, and then wait, I wonder Twitch events. Oh yeah, it will get sent with it. We go Twitch events dot read. So for events in Twitch events read, we go if let if let, maybe just if Twitch event custom redeem is equal to event. We do stuff. Is it an if let? It is an if let. Okay, and then we go redeem dot rewards dot title contains fireworks. Then we go commands dot trigger create fireworks. And we'll go 15 seconds. Yeah. I need to actually get the commands. Not commands. Save. I do want an easy way to create and destroy command redeems. Do I care about that right now? Maybe. I think I do. Because like what would I want? Create redeem, and then we'd want it like as text file, right? Is that easiest? We can go like reload redeems or something. That one's complicated. Complicated. Okay, let's just make a dummy redeem now. We go bits and cheering. No. Content, no. Community, no. Analytics, viewer awards, yeah. Channel points, new. Visit the collection. Whoa, what is this? Yeah, I forgot my YouTube. Yo, I'm sorry. Oh, that was so long ago. I missed the YouTube chat. No. Oh, that was ages ago. Sheesh. That's top chat. No, it's showing not live chat. Oh, okay, it's the same. What is this? Custom rewards collections. Browse the latest and greatest rewards. Any rewards will appear in your custom list. Choose what hero play. The name of character, item, or town. Make me drop my weapon. Ban in-game action. What the? Hydrate. stretch, hats off, mod ball. Whoa. Yeah, there's a timeout redeem. Twitch related. Whoa, look at this one. You can time out somebody else. Sheesh. Playing that. What the? Anyway, I got distracted. And new reward. I might as well just do it here. Fireworks. Make fireworks. Kek W. Amount 650. How do I drag and drop your image here? Do they not have I mean, I guess that's fine. What color should fireworks be? Yellow? Yellow maybe? Where is yellow? Yeah. It's really blinding actually. Great. Oh, look at that. Send a message in sub only mode. That's one way to. What the? Smart cost. Smart cost. Huh. Message events. Okay, so where did that end up? Is it enabled? 900. 6 fireworks. Oh, it is there. Well, you won't do anything yet. You won't do anything yet. So if I close this and just run it again. I need to connect to Twitch too, and we go connect to Twitch. Oh, it's ad break time. It's ad break time apparently. Fireworks. Oh, it didn't work. Oh no. Did I use a capital F? I might have used a capital F. No, I did. Fireworks. Fireworks. Wait, it didn't work? Oh, I'm not subscribed to it. Ah. Where do I set that up? Is that in here? Oh yeah, it is. Subscription. Channel. Redeem. Custom rewards redeem. We also have a follow, so I think we'll also trigger it when there's a follow, just for the funsies. Or a subscription. A subscription. Spawn fireworks, and then we go. If let's Twitch event is a new subscription. Well, like, I guess a match statement just ends up being better here, right? Yeah, match event. And then so if it is a custom point redeem, this one has to be on its own because we check its name. Like so. Then here, is this right? Yeah. Paste. That's fine. This is an underscore. So we don't care about that. Or Is it 1 or 2? I always forget if it's 1 or 2. Twitch event, subscription, resubscription, or Twitch events, gift, subscription. Then we do the same. Paste. Maybe even for 30 seconds. Oh. Nice. Og. Fireworks redeem. Yeah, so we close that, start it up. Start it up. Connect Twitch. Oh, we already missing required scope. Did I already connect Twitch? I did not. Token missing required scope. Oh, it didn't. Wait, what? RM user token refresh token connect Twitch. Authorize. All right. I saw it's a cute washing machine. Yeah, I added a fireworks redeem and I think it works. Well, it's going to be a redeem for now, but it happens when there's a follow or a subscribe or a gift. Or it should anyway. I haven't verified. And there should be an easy way to verify. Fireworks. It didn't work. Wait, why didn't it not work? Oh no, my pointings. Is it because it's not sending it, or is it because there's something wrong here? Oh, a thread. Oh, it's because we're not sending it back. No, we are. If it's an event, we send it back. We should be getting it. Debug event. It did not compile. Wait, what? Why is it not compiling now? Oh, it removed it. Wait, why is this not saved? What is not saved? Oh, plugin used. Rainbow fimsh. Okay, rainbow fimsh worked, and then fireworks. Okay, fireworks worked, but it didn't activate them. Yeah, title fireworks. So it happens here. Okay, that's fine. And we send this to the main thread, which should be here. If I debug new event, save, and we go again. Okay, and then I connect to Twitch. Yep, okay, that works too. Okay, nice. Okay, we'll close that. We get rid of this. Okay, so now, oh, did I not put it? Is it not a system? It's probably not a system. I probably didn't run it. Yeah, look at that. I didn't run it. Spawn fireworks. I am silly. So silly. You just need to spawn it. Obviously. Spawn fireworks. Oh, it worked. Look at that. Hey. Bug. That is Pog. There's shapes on my stream. Wait, yo, where did the clock go? Wait, did I delete the clock? Don't tell me the clock disappeared. Yeah, I can point at things. I mean, yeah, look at this setup function. This one right here. Oh no, the clock's right here. I'm blind. I am blind. But look, I can put it on top of my. I put it right here. Just a little timer there. Imagine if I could move other stuff around. I don't think we're getting to compression today, but you know, that's pretty. Whatever. What we've done is pretty pog, actually. IMO. Hello, pog. All these things I can drag around. And if I press P, yeah. Washing machine. Washing machine. Okay, what am I doing now? Well, we got the fireworks thing working, so that's kind of pog. And we're kind of accidentally making a new overlay. Yeah. Yeah, we should move this into its own project. Not now, though. Not now. Do I feel like drawing? That is the question. Do I feel like drawing? Because I did feel like drawing earlier. You know what? I think I do feel like drawing, but it'll be after I eat food, and I think I'll chill out about it. So I think that's stream over. I think. Wait, do I want stream over? Very short stream. Wait, how long was stream today? 3 hours. Oof. Spicy. Tomorrow is Thursday. There's no stream tomorrow. No stream tomorrow. Thursdays is a no stream day. Friday, there should be stream on Friday. And Saturday and Sunday, at least one of those days I'm not streaming. Oh, that's sad. No stream tomorrow. What the? How does I? That's tough. That's a toughie. That's a big toughie. Thursday is no drink day? What do you mean no drink day? Oh, thirst day. Thirst day. Oh, I see. That would explain a few things, eh? Okay, I'm done. I am done. Finish. I was planning on going longer, but yeah, I'm not gonna push myself. Like, I am happy that I am finding the energy to stream, even though I'm using a lot more energy every day, and I think that's bug. I'm enjoying myself, and I don't know. I'm keen to get a lot more interactions with chat back in terms of my overlay. Oh, remember Plinko? Ooh. Maybe we'll bring Plinko. Revive Plinko. The Plinko is real. Maybe we have something better than Plinko. What would that even be? Better than Plinko? Oh, I'm kind of excited now. Kind of excited. Anyway, we're gonna go raid my Saka because I haven't raided them in like a long time, and they're very chill, and you should follow them. But like, yeah. Anyway, bye bye all. Have a good day, morning, sleep, breakfast. I don't know. Oh, look, I can do fireworks for our ending. Look, fireworks. Yeah. Yeah, look at all those fireworks. Anyway, enjoy your time, and I'll see everyone Friday. Today is Wednesday, so not tomorrow, but the day after. Okay, bye bye.